Hi everyone, thank you so much for taking a minute of your time to tune in and watch this quick video on my September lesson plans. So if you've been with me for a little while, you'll know that I've actually had the curriculum map available for you to print. It's free in the Teachers Pay Teachers store, keeping my kinders busy, and it takes you actually all the way from August through May. But last year, I received quite a few requests asking me to break down what I teach day by day versus just by the week. So you can see here it's week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. But the requests that came in, they asked if I could actually say, okay, on Monday, this is what I'm teaching. On Tuesday, this is what I'm teaching, and so on. So I went ahead and listened to your requests, and I put together my daily lesson plans. And these are also totally free to print. You can find these on the website, keepingmykiddoBusy.com, under lesson plans at the top. They are a work in progress, so I don't have all of the months posted yet, but they will be available soon. So if you're sitting at your computer and you haven't printed these yet, you can actually go ahead and click the pictures of the resources being used, and they will take you to a blog post. And all of the blog posts have pictures, they have videos, and almost every single one has quite a few freebies you can try from the unit just to see if it's a good fit for you in your classroom, or if you just need a quick substitute teacher activity, if you need a quick center or homework, you can print freebies from all of these resources. If you have printed these, they will come out like this, and I just wanted to show you, since it does look so different than my curriculum map, how I actually go ahead and put these in my lesson planning binder. So up here at the top, it says the resource, and then Monday, Tuesday. If I pull this over, this is the very next page under my printer, you'll see that it pulls out to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So this is my morning work, and in my morning work on Monday, we're doing matching letter A, tracing lines, rhyming number 1. Over here on Tuesday, letter B, tracing lines, rhyming number 2. And so it just takes you through the entire week of what I teach every day. But down here in the corner, you'll see that it says week 1. I can only fit 5 resources on the page. So if I turn the page, pull this over, you'll actually see that there's another week 1. So I just wanted to explain that it's just because I could only fit 5 resources on each page. So then on this page, it covers, these are my centers, the sight words, like what sight words I teach which day and which activity. So you can see, like on Tuesday, I'm doing the spell it. For the word the. On Wednesday, I'm doing the fluency page. On Thursday, I'm doing the sentence. Then this unit is my enrichment unit, and that's pretty much to supplement our read alouds that we're covering. I did not put the actual title of the read alouds, but if you click this, it takes you to the blog post, and then you can fill in the read aloud by hand. And I did it that way in case you decided to use a different read aloud. You didn't have to use the one that I suggested. Then here's the handwriting, and at the bottom of the page, coming soon, is our science and social studies curriculum, which I'm super excited for. So that is, in a nutshell, the resources that I use on my lesson plans, and now I'm going to show you how I put them in my lesson planning binder for the month. So these lesson plans are formatted so that 2 pages will make up 1 week. So when you print them, if you look at the page directly underneath it, that forms an entire week. So how I do it, just to be quick, is I fold them over. Then you can simply hole punch them, and then they will lay nice in your lesson plan binder like that. So that's the quick way to do it, and you can do 1 week at a time. our September lesson plans. They've been printed now and hole punched and just placed in a 3-ring binder. And I'm just such a visual person. I like to be able to see my whole week at a glance. And I even put pictures in here so you can just glance, double check, oh, okay, this is the activity we're going to be doing in math. This is what I need to pull for our morning work. This is what we'll be doing for writing. So I hope that's helpful for you. So this is what we're doing in September for week 1. Here's our morning work, our phonemic awareness and phonics, reading block, math, writing. And if I turn the page, I'm still again on week 1, but here are my centers, my sight words, our read aloud and enrichment, our handwriting, and then our science and social studies. That'll be coming very soon. Then I turn the page and now I'm on to week 2. This is what we're going to be learning about. Again, still on week 2. Week 3, this is what we're going to be covering. Week 4, this is what we're going to be learning about in September. And then at the very back, I wrote out for you our standards for math and language arts. There's also a spot that you can write your additional standards. Right now, you can handwrite them in, but I am working on making this editable for your convenience. And then over here, there is a spot for you to just write any additional notes that you may have. And at the back, these very last pages, it's just available for you to write notes about lesson plans if you're going to have a sub. And then over here, just dates to remember. So I hope this is helpful for you while you are planning your lessons. Happy September!